Welcome back everybody. Bitcoin breaking bearish here. The risk of a head and shoulders to play out is actually playing out right now. Now this is not a perfect head and shoulder, but it's still, to me, it looks like a nice head and shoulder here. We're breaking below the neckline at the moment. We still can be saved from this level around 39k. If it failed to hold, our next support is 38, and then we can pretty much drop all the way to 30k. We might hold before that, but anyway, this is very bearish pattern and you want to pay attention. Now if you hold in cryptos or stuff like that, you know, from here or from here or from here, you really need to start, you know, thinking about closing position, you know, or putting stops, because this, you don't want to hodl in a downtrend. Okay, this is very bad. And look, we got a very bearish signal here on the weekly chart. If you look on the weekly chart for Bitcoin, you open the 50-week the moving average. This is a very bearish signal we got here. You can see in the summer we held it as support. Now we are holding it as resistance for the first time since COVID. Let me show you COVID crash back here. That was the week we held it as resistance, and at the moment we are opening the week that we might see a serious crash, guys. This is a possibility. It's a possibility. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but it is a possibility. Now another possibility we can look at is from the bear market 2018. We closed below the 50-week MA, and then we went sideways for half a year and then capitulate. Okay, so you have two areas that you can watch in this cycle to pay attention to, and this thing looking very bearish, guys. And also if you look on the RSI, the weekly RSI here, we just broke to new low on the weekly time frame, so this is mega bearish. Look at this weekly low here. Okay, if you look in here, we just made a lower low on the weekly RSI. This is very bearish. Momentum is going down. We are very bearish for Bitcoin. Okay, and if Bitcoin is bearish, crypto as a whole is mega bearish. All right, guys. Now, which areas I'm watching for a bounce play? We are in the group. We're watching for a bounce play. We're waiting for a bounce play because we're super oversold. And this is the time you want to DCA on Bitcoin. You know, just put some buy orders. You know, put some buy orders on the way down to 30, maybe even below, and just have more cash on the side for the moment that it's doing a little bottom and you want to buy the breakout of the bottom. So we are actually waiting for the next Bitcoin bottom to play on the bounce play, to make money on the bounce play. So if you want to come along and trade with us, check out our group, links in the description. And you can also just wait for the downtrend to break. You can see this is the downtrend that we failed to break here. We failed to break here. We failed to break here. We had a little bounce here, and now we're breaking down. So you can wait for this downtrend to break and then enter a position with altcoins and Bitcoins. All right, or if you want, you can short the market, but you know, a shorting, you need to know what you're doing. All right, it's not for everybody. All right, so this is what I'm watching, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a comment down below where you see Bitcoin bottoming out. Do you think it's going to bottom on 30? Or we're talking about a bounce play, not a mega, you know, cycle low. Okay, I'm still expecting it to go lower in 2022, lower than 30k, but I'm expecting it to make a bounce, give us a nice bounce play from the 30k, because the 30k level, you know, last time we held 30k as support, we had a massive bounce all the way to 69. Okay, so this, I can see a scenario that we bounce in from this level, minimum to the 50k or 44 or whatever, this level, to test it as support. All right, and this will be an amazing time to trade crypto, but at the moment you want to be in cash. That's my 2 cents for today. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.